Honey, you are the one that I think of most often. Oh, you were the first woman I came to know. But I was so young and the young have no wisdom. But Sharon, I loved you so long ago. Oh, Sharon, I've learned how to deal with my sadness, although at times I swear I do not know when I am happy or when it is madness. Sharon, I love you so long ago.